Welcome to Chem Help ASAP. Let's do two quick, simple SN2 sample reactions. Here is our first problem. We need to predict the product of this starting material, a secondary bromide reacting with sodium cyanide, our reagent. For these reactions, we first look for a strong nucleophile. If we have one, we're likely looking at an SN2 reaction. So we have cyanide as the reagent, and that is a virtual guarantee for an SN2 reaction. A secondary halide is not ideal for an SN2, but it's fine with sodium cyanide. This reaction will be an SN2. There is one additional idea we need to remember. SN2 reactions occur with inversions of stereochemistry. So as we draw our product, we need to make sure that we show inversion of the configuration at our reacting stereocenter. As we think of this as a reaction triangle, this same reaction could have been used in multiple questions. We could have been given the starting material and product and asked for the reagent. We could have been given the reagent and product and asked for a starting material. All these are the same reaction, but viewed slightly differently. If you can look at a reaction from multiple perspectives, you likely understand the concepts in the question. Let's see another reaction. Here is another starting material, a primary halide in a fairly complex molecule with multiple stereocenters. The reagent over the arrow is sodium methane thiolate. What is the product? Again, we first look for a nucleophile. Thiolates or sulfides are great nucleophiles. With a primary chloride, this will definitely be an SN2. How about stereochemistry? For this reaction, while the nucleophile, the sulfur anion, still attacks from the back face of the carbon-chlorine bond, the carbon is not a stereocenter. Some carbons in the molecule are stereocenters, but they are not affected by the SN2 reaction. Therefore, the product is identical to the starting material, except we replace the chlorine with the sulfur. The rest of the molecule is unchanged. Again, this reaction can be used to make other questions. We could be asked to provide the reagents. We could also be asked to provide the starting material.